Welcome to another video on how to change name in Facebook Lite. I'm Akin from Create, Login and Delete, and let's get started. So first, go ahead and open our Facebook Lite application on your phone and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on three horizontal lines at the upper right corner. And now scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Under Settings and Privacy, tap on Settings. Now, once you land on the settings page, click on Personal and Account Information under Account. And now click on Name right here. Now in this page, if you haven't changed your name in last 60 days, then you'll be able to find a change name option. But since I have already changed my name just recently, I don't have that option available right now. But if it's been more than 60 days and you haven't changed your name, then you'll definitely find a change name option. So you can simply click on that button and change your name. But as I said, please remember you can only change your name on Facebook once every 60 days. So change your name accordingly. So that's it. So that's pretty much how you can change name on Facebook. I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more great contents. Thanks for watching.